Hello, my viewers. Welcome to my channel Learn from Dada. As architects and designers, we need to create a portfolio to show our work to clients or to get a job. The portfolio shows our skills and helps the client to understand our potential and work experience. So, creating a unique, informative, well readable, and impressive portfolio is a must thing. So, my friends, in this tutorial video, we will learn how to create a page for a portfolio which can be used as an introduction page for individual project of ours. We'll be using Sketchup and Photoshop for this lesson. So let's start. From Sketchup, we will be exporting these three images. Image 1 will give us our textures. Image 2 will give us sharp lines. And image 3 will allow us to play with shadow depth. Let's open SketchUp. So friends, in this way, we can easily design a portfolio layout page in Photoshop. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I believe this video was very much helpful to you. So please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.